Hey lawyers, do you know what BRoll is and how to use it to make your content more interesting? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you what BRoll is and show you an example of how it can be used to make your content more interesting. Hi, my name is Christian Cruz and I am the head videographer and editor for Social Firestarter. Simply put, BRoll is additional footage that is shot separately and then stitched together to help you tell your story a little more effectively. So for example, this room that I'm in right now, it's my office space and it also doubles as a music studio for me, my creative space. So I can use B-roll footage to showcase that by showing shots of the piano, showing shots of the music book, of the guitar, and things like that. And that's gonna help make this content more interesting. So depending on your subject matter, you can use B-roll to shoot a bunch of different things. There's so many ways you can do this and then edit it together and put it on top of your current footage. I'm sure you've seen examples of this hundreds of times in commercials, in movies, in shows, etc. So next time that you're creating some video content, try to think of ways you can use B-roll as supplemental to tell your story better or get your point across even more. I hope that this video was helpful, and as always, if you have any questions about filming your videos or about your marketing, please feel free to reach out to our team. We're always more than happy to help whichever way we can. Until the next video.